What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, Huawei and US officials are walking parallel to each other. But just as the parallel lines can never meet, Huawei and US conflicts will also not get a complete full stop. Hence, to avoid this battle to a degree, the Chinese tech maker took a new decision. So, according to the Nike Asia, Huawei is trying to make a new chipsets which will be free from US technologies with the help of existing domestic semiconductor partners. So basically, PXW, which is a firm run by an ex-Huawei executive, is supporting the chip startup to limit the US sanctions. So unlike TSMC, PXW is not so strong and capable, you can say, but yet it might support Huawei in retaining a good position in several tough areas where the company cannot enter at this moment. And apart from PXW, Huawei will also associate with few domestic chip manufacturers to get a better hold on this matter. And in this matter though, the Chinese manufacturer would be able to get chipsets access without getting stuck in the US regulations. And I got another good news as well. So Huawei is also planning to relaunch 5G phones as soon as next year to overcome the US sanctions and win back the market share. You know that the company is blacklisted by the Washington from acquiring US technology for 5G smartphones, but has been developing strategies to bypass the sanctions. So what is relaunching, or you can say redesigning its smartphones? Well, Huawei is having a different approach this time. The company is reworking on its phones to use less advanced chipsets made by the Chinese companies that will enable 5G. While the less advanced chips may impact user experience, especially compared with the phones from Huawei's previous generations and rivals Apple's iPhone 14, but those phones will enable 5G. Even Huawei said that company cannot wait endlessly and needs to bring 5G phones back to the market as soon as possible. So this new approach will end the 5G problem which Huawei has been facing from past years. So the motive of this video is let you know guys that Huawei is working really hard to solve all the problems in 2023. All the problems means chipset problems and especially 5G. Well, these problems will surely be sorted by Huawei in the beginning, or you can say in the middle of the 2023. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.